In this video I'm gonna show you a comprehensive guide to crushing your crush and getting the dating life you deserve. You are not the only one with a crush. There are so many people out there looking for love but finding it difficult to find like-minded partners, and stop putting yourself down. Learn to take risks in order to get the date you want. If you want to be safe, don't do anything that is unfamiliar. The benefits of sticking to what you know may outweigh the risks, but there is always some risk involved. Stop putting yourself down. It is a common misconception that you are the only one who has a crush. There are many people out there looking for love but finding it difficult to find the right person. The reason for this difficulty is that there are so many people in the world and it's hard to know where to start looking. The best way to find love is online dating, which gives you access to thousands of potential partners, all at your fingertips. Online dating has never been easier or more popular than it is today, and with sites like Match.com, eHarmony, OkCupid, and Plenty of Fish, you have plenty of options available to you. How to get over a crush easily by doing these 4 things. You are now neglecting all the other aspects of your life that you actually enjoy and putting all your time into one aspect. For example, if you spend too much time at work, you will eventually not be able to maintain relationships with friends and family outside of work that were important to you. Let them know you're interested and available if they are too. Your dating app bio should only include key phrases that describe you. It's also recommended to add keywords in order to attract the right people. Look at phrases such as ready to mingle, new friends, or single and looking, and let them know you're interested and available if they are too. Go on a date with them. It indicates that you and the person you're going out with are planning to spend time together in a romantic or special friendly manner. It's not the same as hanging out with your friends. It bears the connotation of a two-person romance or a hopeful romance beginning. When someone says, "we're dating," it usually signifies the two people are in a committed relationship. If you just state, "I've dated her," you're implying that you went out with her but that the casual encounter did not grow into a meaningful engagement. I hope this clarifies a term that is probably obsolete. Put yourself out there. No, it can be super scary, but sometimes you just have to make the first move. You can't expect your crush to read your mind and figure out on their own that you're majorly crushing. Ask them on a study date, go out of your way to talk to them, invite them over for a movie marathon. Once they see you're interested, they may just return the feelings, and everything will fall into place. Don't wait around for years for your crush to look your way, make things happen. Make subtle gestures. Even the most discreet expression can grab your crush's attention. Compliment their outfit, or smile and say hi when you pass them in the hall. After school, keep things flirty over text. It could be as simple as asking a question, sending a silly joke or meme, or congratulating them on a recent win if they play sports. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, comment, and share button, and thanks for watching.